CRM is no longer a single app. It's a context layer. And AI agents are weaving it into every workflow and into every app that your sales and service teams touch. So how do you infuse the right context and role-specific customer intelligence across those surfaces to streamline human and agent tasks that use AI? Well, that's what the Agentic platform in Dynamics 365 solves for. It gives you pre-built, role-specific agents for sales and customer service to generate deep and persistent insights. That same underlying context carries forward in your flow of work as you use agents with Microsoft 365. For example, as you prep for upcoming meetings. Together with Copilot Cowork's advanced reasoning, these agents don't just surface insights, they interact directly with your CRM backend and produce presentable materials. And for task automation, you can use autonomous agents in Microsoft 365 to work 24/7 on your behalf. Let's make this real, starting with a tour of the sales and service agents in Dynamics 365, available to work alongside you. First, for sales, the sales qualification agent can take a new lead, conduct external research on the company, combine it with what's already in your CRM, and hand you as a seller a qualified summary with recommended next steps. In parallel, the sales opportunity agent can work on active deals, researching the account while also surfacing buying signals and risks in the process, along with deeper insights on stakeholders, competitors, and more. Then, recommending the next step actions to advance the deal. Next, on the customer service side of things, the customer intent agent uses generative AI to discover the intent behind incoming conversations, in this case, an issue about travel insurance coverage. As a service rep, it helps you to quickly understand customer needs and guide you to a resolution with automatic response suggestions. The case management agent then automates case lifecycle, like you're seeing here with the description field auto-filled, so you don't need to do it manually. And the quality evaluation agent automatically analyzes customer interactions against your scoring framework, generating insights to improve service quality, consistency, and coverage. These agents are grounded in business data. In fact, whether you're in Dynamics 365 or Microsoft 365, you're working off the same data, right from the apps you already use, including mobile. Let me show you how this comes to life with the sales agent in Microsoft 365. I have the sales agent open, and without even sending a prompt, I see my upcoming and past meetings, each surfaced with AI-generated highlights. Each highlight calls out the key themes to quickly get up to speed, plus tabs for the meeting overview, company overview, external attendees, and talking points, all grounded in CRM and past interactions. And if I need more specific information, I can ask sales directly for account summaries, relationship insights, customer sentiment, and more. And when I run any of these, I get a grounded answer almost instantly. And by the way, there's also an equivalent service agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. I'll continue from the point of view of the seller, navigating a complex contract renewal where you can use agents in line as you work in your Office apps. I'll start from Outlook with a customer email. Rather than digging through reports, I'll ask the agent, what do I need to know about the A-Datum renewal before our next meeting? And in a few seconds, I get a focused brief. It finds account-related insights that I need to know before the meeting. And because Copilot is extensible, it brings in usage data from any sales application or knowledge source, plus approved content like reference customers and success stories. It connects the CRM account and deal data with communication across emails and meetings, so that as a seller, you can catch up on what's changed and what you need to do. And that same context follows you as you move onto other surfaces like Dynamics 365 Sales, so you can find and resume past conversations right from CRM, all powered by WorkIQ, the intelligence layer in Microsoft 365. Taking this a step further, I can use deeper reasoning and AI skills to create the documents and presentations I need for customer meetings. That's where Copilot Cowork can bring sales and service disciplines together for complex, multi-step work and content creation. I have the Cowork tab open in Microsoft 365, and I'll enter my prompt to get the latest risk and opportunity information for my quarterly business review. I'm also asking it to write back any relevant new information to CRM, build me a PowerPoint presentation, and write an email to share with the team before we meet. I'll run the prompt. And Cowork reasons across sales and service together, surfacing the deals at risk and the open customer service cases that could impact the review, with the most relevant and up-to-minute context behind each. It adds the record in CRM for QBR prep. Then Cowork continues by building the PowerPoint presentation that I requested. It even drafts an email to share with my internal team before the meeting, including the briefing deck. Before I hit send, I open the presentation, and it's packed with insights and next steps, all grounded with everything it just reasoned over. I've shown you how you can use prompts or manual triggers to have agents work on your behalf. But as I mentioned, you can also automate repeated tasks by running agents autonomously. Let me show you how to set that up. This time, I'll start in Microsoft Teams under Apps. I want to create an autopilot agent that automatically generates customer leads for me. So I'll search for sales development and choose the agent. I just need to give it a name and an email alias so that it can work autonomously with its own identity. And I'll confirm to kick off the creation process. That's going to take a moment to create, and once it's ready, I can work with it like a member of my team. I'll start with a small task, then expand that out to a longer running set of tasks. From Teams, from a one-on-one chat, I can onboard my agent. I'll use its suggested prompt to draft an outreach email. Then, I just need to give it a prospect name and details. I'll use my name to test. And it gets to work and checks in with its progress. Now, it's reasoning over everything and quickly drafts up the initial outreach email. From there, I can ask the agent to refine the mail a little. Now, I can provide feedback on any part of the email, but I'll ask it to shorten the email and include a call to action. Then, I'll add a company and product name to include, and it finalizes the email. Once everything looks good, I can give it a list of prospects to connect. I just need to point my agent to my spreadsheet, which contains details for multiple prospects, so that my agent can reach out to each one automatically and work through the list. And by the way, if you want to automate this even further, you could instead use CRM data ingestion, and it would run automatically as new customer records are added. And as customers respond, the agent will update me in the chat. So what's powering the Agentic platform in Dynamics 365? First, our intelligence layer brings together your core business data, accounts, opportunities, and interaction history, along with saved insights like deal risk and recommended actions. A business context layer connects all of this, linking people, accounts, deals, and activities, so it's not just raw records, but a full picture of what's going on. It's extensible with skills and tools that give the agents what they need to take specific actions. WorkIQ then adds signals from Microsoft 365, emails, meetings, documents, and chats, so agents understand what's being discussed and can find related materials. Interacting with this intelligence layer is the experience layer, with the apps you work in day to day, the agents layer with pre-built and custom agents, and Dynamics 365 as a direct interface for CRM. And every interaction feeds back into the system, continuously improving data, insights, and actions. For IT and business teams, this also means more secure AI at scale. It's grounded in shared context and respects your data security and access policies across experiences. Let's go deeper on how you can extend agentic experiences with custom skills and tools and using the business intelligence you have sitting in connected systems or in Dataverse. In Power Apps, you can author business skills, like I've done here. These are scoped units of know-how that wrap Dataverse data and the logic for when to use it. You'll see that the instructions include details for each step the agent needs to take, what I want the output format to look like, and some examples of inputs along with corresponding expected responses. Let me show you this skill in action using Copilot Cowork. I'll ask it to analyze another deal at Datum to see if they have contract pricing. As it runs, you'll see that it chains in the custom pricing skill we just saw. And then once it completes, it surfaces a contracted pricing recommendation, which is not available in the out-of-the-box product. Copilot Cowork followed all of the instructions, formatting, and examples from the skill. The skills are governed by the same Dataverse security and lifecycle using role-based access. So that's how the Agentic platform in Dynamics 365 brings the right context and role-specific customer intelligence into connected experiences to save you time. To get started, check out aka.ms/AgenticCX platform. Subscribe to Microsoft Mechanics for more AI updates. And thanks for watching.